This is a Kodak i4850 series scanner. I'm going to show you how to replace the feed and separation rollers on it. This video can also be used on any 4000 series scanner, as well as 5000 series scanner to replace those rollers as well. The recommended lifespan on these rollers are 500,000 documents, but that can vary depending on the upkeep of the scanner and the consumables inside. Before replacing the consumables on this scanner, make sure you have the right consumable kit. This consumable kit can also replace the i4850 scanners, as well as the i4650 scanners. To start, pull the trigger on the side to release and open up the scanner. Once it's open, the module on the top has 4 rollers. The module on the bottom has 2, right underneath the pre-separation pad. To remove the bottom rollers, put your finger under the pre-separation pad to fold the spring-loaded back, and then slide out the rollers. If your pre-separation pad needs to be replaced as well, simply slide it out and slide the new one in. When the rollers are out, to take them off the axle, simply pry them off the wheels and do the same thing to the other side. Then take your new rollers, slide them onto the wheels. This process can be done with the top rollers that we'll show as well. Once the rollers are replaced, pull forward again and slide it back on the metal axis. Then release. To remove the module, slide the lever to the right over and pull out the module. To open up the module, there's a tab on each side. Squeeze those in. To release, the module will open up. Once the top cover is off, you can pull each set of rollers out from the holder. After you've put on the new rollers, slide the axis back into the holder so it lines up correctly. After the 2 axes are in, clip the top cover back on. To put the module back in, make sure the top fin goes into the slot. Slide the lever over, insert the fin in, and release. After you've replaced the feed and separation rollers, you can go ahead and close the scanner so it clicks. This concludes replacing the feed and separation rollers on a Kodak i4850 series scanner.